Helix.
While MOOCs don't have completion rates figured out yet, what do you believe are some of the strengths of the currently better designed MOOCs?
I've taken several MOOCs over the years, ever since around 2014 when they kind of burst onto the scene, and they've gotten progressively better and better. Right now, I would say one of the biggest strengths that the better produced MOOCs have is just the quality of the materials that are being made. There's great video content that's professionally done. The audio quality is terrific. You can tell that there's an army of instructional designers behind all of these MOOCs. There's one big problem that I don't think these MOOCs have quite solved yet, and that is the human feedback loop at scale. There's no such thing happening in these MOOCs. I mean, there are hundreds of thousands of people taking them. That's the M in MOOC. It's massive. And it really showed. The discussion board, for example, in all these courses were pretty much ghost towns, except for people asking, could you please peer review my work? What I feel like could be a major lesson as we move forward is that's what we compete on. We compete on the feedback loop. We've got feedback loops and they don't. The challenge, though, you can't expect a professor who is evaluating the work, communicating with students, building relationships with students, to also be the TV producer, to also be the video production person, to be the audio production assistant, to be the course designer. One person cannot do it all. So one of the big challenges for us in traditional higher ed is to assemble some sort of core of instructional designers and make it really intentional to plug faculty into those course designers and work in a partnership.